Time for school, Mouse. Time for School, Mouse by Laura Numeroff, illustrated by Felicia Bond. It's time for school. Mouse has a new lunchbox. Where is his backpack? Here it is. Where are his notebooks and his pencils? Here they are. Oh no! Where did Mouse put his homework? Mouse looks for his homework, but he finds his teddy bear instead. Mouse looks for his homework, but he finds his crayons instead. Mouse looks for his homework, but he finds his cookies instead. Mouse finds his doctor's kit and his baseball, but no homework. Oh-ho! It's time to go! Mouse turns his backpack upside down. Ah! There it is! Time for school, Mouse!